Speaking of those clear skies, tonight Mars will be at its closest point to Earth in more than a decade. And as a way to celebrate this, NASA is releasing a stunning new image of the planet captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. We've got Dr. Nicole Colon with us this morning, who is a Hubble Space Telescope scientist. Good morning, Nicole, and thank you for joining us this morning.
Good morning.
Tonight will be one of our best opportunities to see Mars in about 15 years, and Saturn is also going to be prominent. How can people at home spot these planets?
Yeah, well, what you can do is go outside after it's dark. Hopefully it'll be clear tonight, and you can look for the full moon. And close to the full moon, you'll see Mars as a bright red point in the sky. And then a little bit further away, you'll see another bright point, which is Saturn. And these are going to stand out against the background stars of the sky. And as you mentioned, it's a great time to view Mars and Saturn because they're near opposition, which essentially means that Mars is closest to Earth as it's ever been, usually, and it's a little bit bigger in size. So it's a really fantastic time to go out and try to see Mars.
Absolutely. Now, you guys have been busy watching summer storms on other planets. Can you tell us or show us some of these images of Mars and Saturn?
Yeah, so Hubble just last week took an exquisite image of Mars, which you can see here, and it is exquisite because it shows a global dust storm. So the image actually looks kind of fuzzy, especially when you compare it to an image taken 2 years ago. But what this is really allowing us to do is monitor the storms that crop up on the surface over time. And similarly with Saturn, we're able to look at the after effects of a storm that's towards the North Pole of Saturn. And you see those patchy clouds are basically a disintegrating storm in Saturn's atmosphere.
Those images are fascinating. Now, what are some of the surprises that you've uncovered within our solar system?
Yeah, Hubble has done a lot of work studying solar system objects, and for example, with Jupiter, we've been looking at its great red spot, and amazingly, we've been seeing it shrink over time. So just over the past 10, 12 years, we've been able to see it shrink in size enough so that it's about the size it feels one size of Earth could fit in that storm. And similarly with Neptune, we've been seeing some shrinking storms. So it's pretty cool what Hubble has been able to do for us.
Absolutely. Well, Nicole, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate your time.